Hi friend, in this video, you are going to see a aptitude on height and distance. Aptitude 3. A man standing at a point P, is watching the top of a tower, which makes an angle of elevation of 30 degrees, with the man's eye. The man walks some distance, towards the tower to watch its top, and the angle of the elevation becomes 45 degrees. What is the distance, between the base of the tower, and the point P? Option A, 9 units. Option B, data inadequate. Option C, 12 units. Option D, 5.196 units. Pause the video, and try to solve the problem. Answer, data inadequate. Explanation. Tan 45 degrees equals SR by QR. Tan 30 degrees equals SR by PR equals SR by PQ plus QR. Two equations and three variables. Hence, we cannot find the required value with the given data. Note that if one of SR, PQ, QR is known, this becomes two equations and two variables, and if that was the case, we could have found out the required value. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.